Local news for Thursday the 14th of September. The Local Government Commission has received confirmation for a valid petition for a poll on its proposal for a Wairarapa District Council, and a poster vote will be held closing at midday on Tuesday the 12th of December. Commission Chair Siwara Gardner said the Commission was pleased to receive the petition and confirmed the poll will go ahead, saying there will now be a poll on whether there is a new combined Wairarapa District Council, and that is good for local democracy. Siwara says having an outcome on a proposal in December will also give people in the Wairarapa, in particular council members and staff, certainty about their council arrangements as they go off for their Christmas break. A small earthquake just out of Ekirahuna was felt by some Tuesday night. The quake struck at 7:10 p.m. and was 3.9 in magnitude and 32 kilometres in depth. And Taratahi's latest Try Before You Buy residential taster course in Wairarapa has filled up faster than ever before. 65 young people keen on a career in the primary sector will ascend on the Wairarapa campus on the 8th of October. Taratahi Wairarapa Regional Manager Simon Bailey says it's the quickest the course has filled up and the largest number of students for many years. And in sport, the Trust House Marston and Tennis Centre are holding an open day this Sunday for all new and existing members. From 1 p.m, there'll be games and activities, encouraging anyone on a summer sport to pop along. And hundreds of kids will be playing football this weekend at the annual Douglas Villa Junior Tournament. The two-day competition sees nearly 100 teams expected, with a great weather forecast ahead as well. For local news, I'm Brent Gare.